Manus AI versus Claude 2026. Which one is better? Trying to decide between Manus AI and Claude in 2026. In this video, I'm going to compare both platforms side by side so you can choose the right AI tool for your needs and avoid wasting time or money on the wrong option. Artificial intelligence tools are evolving fast, but Manus AI and Claude are built for different purposes. While both can help boost productivity, they shine in completely different areas. Let's start with Manus AI. Manus AI is designed as an autonomous AI agent. Instead of simply answering questions, it can plan and execute multi-step tasks with minimal supervision. It's built for workflow automation, browser-based tasks, research projects, app building, and handling larger end-to-end processes. Many users choose Manus when they want an AI that can take action and complete complex projects with less manual guidance. Now let's look at Claude. Claude is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It is known for excellent writing quality, deep reasoning, coding assistance, long context conversations, and detailed analysis. Claude performs especially well when you need high-quality content, problem-solving, research assistance, brainstorming, or code reviews. It focuses more on intelligence and reasoning rather than fully autonomous execution. So which one is better for coding? If your goal is getting help writing, debugging, and understanding code, Claude is generally considered one of the strongest coding assistants available. Claude Code has become particularly popular among developers because of its reasoning abilities and developer-focused tools. However, if you want an AI that can automate larger development workflows, create projects with less supervision, and handle multiple steps automatically, Manus AI may offer advantages through its autonomous agent capabilities. For writing and content creation, Claude is usually the clear winner. Its responses tend to be more natural, nuanced, and polished, making it a favorite among writers, marketers, researchers, and content creators. For automation and task execution, Manus AI takes the lead. It is built specifically to perform actions, manage workflows, and carry out tasks with less user intervention. Interestingly, many power users don't choose one over the other. Community discussions show that people often use Manus AI for execution and automation, while using Claude for planning, refinement, writing, and quality control. Pro tip: before choosing an AI tool, think about your primary goal. If you need an intelligent assistant for writing, coding, analysis, and research, Claude is likely the better choice. If you need an AI agent that can automate workflows and execute larger projects with minimal supervision, Manus AI may be a better fit. So, which one is better in 2026? The answer depends on your needs. Claude wins for writing, reasoning, coding assistance, and conversations. Manus AI wins for automation, autonomous execution, and complex multi-step workflows. For many advanced users, the most powerful solution is actually using both together. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Are you Team Claude or Team Manus AI?